Welcome to the Colorado WIC program. WIC is a nutrition program for women, infants, and children. It supports those who are pregnant, new parents, babies, and children under 5 years of age. In this video, we'll explain what foods you can get with WIC, how to use your benefits, and where to shop. With WIC, you can get healthy foods like fruits, veggies, whole grains, milk, eggs, and more. Together, these foods provide important nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals such as iron and calcium to help your family grow strong and stay healthy. WIC helps with some of your grocery needs, but not all. You'll still need to buy other foods on your own. Your monthly food benefits are loaded onto an eWIC card. It works like a debit card and can be used at any store that accepts WIC. You can find WIC-authorized stores in the WIC shopping app or at coloradowic.gov. Be sure to use all your benefits before the end of each month as they don't carry over. At your appointment, you'll get a food package based on your needs. For example, if you're pregnant, your package will be different from that of a child. We'll go over the types and amounts of foods you can buy each month. You can also find this information in the WIC shopping app. The WIC shopping app can make shopping easier. You can check your food benefits balance, scan items to see if they're WIC approved, view the food list and shopping guide, find WIC-authorized stores. For the most up-to-date information on approved brands and sizes, check the app or visit coloradowic.gov to view the full food list and shopping guide. Here's a look at some of the foods you may be able to buy with your WIC benefits. Remember, the types and amounts depend on your food package. Each month, you'll get a set dollar amount loaded onto your eWIC card to buy fruits and vegetables. You can choose from fresh, frozen, or canned options, as long as they're WIC approved. If you go over your WIC amount, you can pay the difference or ask the cashier to remove some items so you don't have to pay extra. Most adults and kids age 2 and older get 1% or skim milk. Toddlers ages 12 to 23 months get whole milk. Why the switch at age 2? After their second birthday, kids' growth slows down, so they don't need as much fat. Lower fat milk still has all the nutrients, like protein, calcium, and vitamin D, without the extra fat their bodies don't need. That makes it a healthier choice as they grow. If you don't drink milk, you can ask for a plant-based option like soy milk or more yogurt instead. Speaking of yogurt, the app or your food benefit list will show how much yogurt you can get and what fat level is allowed. You can choose any WIC-approved cheese, whether it's shredded, sliced, string, or block. Just check the app or food list and shopping guide to see what's approved. Choose from a variety of whole grain options like 100% whole wheat and whole grain bread, brown rice, whole wheat pasta, corn tortillas, quinoa, and more. WIC also offers hot and cold breakfast cereals that are high in iron and fiber and low in sugar. You can get protein-rich foods like peanut butter, beans, canned fish, and eggs. If you don't need eggs, ask your WIC educator about swapping them for peanut butter or beans. And for babies 6 months and older, WIC helps with baby cereal and baby foods like fruits and vegetables. Or you can choose fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables instead. WIC also helps with formula if needed. If you don't eat certain foods because of allergies or personal preferences, that's okay. Just talk to your WIC educator. They'll help you find other options that work for you and your family. We're glad you're here, and we look forward to serving you and your family. If you have any questions, please contact your local WIC clinic or visit us at coloradowic.gov. We're here to help.